Hello student of class 9. Today we are going to learn about chapter 4 subject math in NCERT book. Linear equation in two variables. You look here. You look clearly. I write here linear equation in two variables. You know that linear equation variables. Okay, so I first confirm your chapter name. So you can say your introductions for your chapter name. First I introduce to you a linear. What is the linears? Okay, I think you don't know linear. Okay, your teachers previous classes teach to you a linear, but you don't remember in your mind. So next time I confirm your linear. What is the linears? So I write here linear definitions of relating to resemblings or having a graph that is a line, especially a straight line. You look here, this is a figure of graph. If any line denoted by point in graph is straight, okay, straight मतलब एकदम सीधा as like, okay, here point, here point, okay, you look here, this point. You plotting a point 2 2, you plotting a point 7, you can say 4, plotting 9 6. You look here, this point is called a situations of two positions, x-axis and y-axis. You get a line is called linear because this line is a straight. I remember you know that linear and collinear point. Yes, linear point means a straight line in a graph, especially in a graph. You can say a straight line. Okay, this is called linear. Student, I say to you next time, linear means एक straight line, don't curve. वो curve नहीं होनी चाहिए, मतलब straight line, सीधी line. Okay, now we are going to confirm your equation. What is the equations? Because you learn in this chapter names linears. I confirm your linears. I write here linears definitions and I give you example for graphically. You look here, this is a straight line is called linear. Okay, I confirm your equations. What is equations? The statement of equality of two expressions in one more variable is called an equations. You know that equations, according to definitions, the statement of the equality of two expressions in one more variable is called an equations. You know, look here, standard form of the equations ax, a one linear equation, plus b is equal to 0. This is a one linear equations because here use a one variable. Here b is a real number, here a is a real number. And suppose I give you one more example similar, 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is a one variable equation. Here you are according to statement, the statement of the equation of two expression in a more variable in called an equations. You look here, this is called one variable equations. One more variables, you can say 4x plus 2y. Okay, this is called two variable equation. This is called two variable, okay, equations. This is you give a mathematically numbers in algebra, you call equations. You call equations. You call one variable equation, you call two variable equations. Okay, तो आई कन्फर्म योर इक्वेशंस. व्हाट इज योर इक्वेशंस? दिस राइट हियर डिफिनेशंस एंड आई गिव यू एग्जाम्पल्स. ओके, तो व्हाट इज इक्वेशंस? एक्सप्रेस मीन्स किसी भी क्वेश्चंस को हम इस फॉर्म में अगर शो करके आपको दिखाते हैं, इसे हम इक्वेशन बोलते हैं ना. ओके, यू राइट हियर नेक्स्ट वन मोर एग्जांपल्स. 4x plus 5y plus 9. This is called equation. This is called two variable equation because here use the two different variable x and y. Is called two variable equations. Okay, this to this. Okay, this called is equations. Okay, whole numbers are called equations. If we write in this form, now we are going to confirm variable. What is the variables? I think you already know a variables. A variables we use a single letter to represent a variable. You can say if we use a single letter, single small letter of alphabet use is called variable, as like x, y, m, n. This is called alphabet. Okay, this is called alphabet letter in alphabet. Okay, you use in mathematically in small letter in algebra. Okay, this is called algebraic number. You can say variables. You know that variable, you know that constant. I think so you remember constant. What is the constant? Okay, constant means singly a number, any real number, 4, 5, 6, that is called constant. That is called variable. Means you I hope you understand what is the variable and what is the constant. Okay, now we are going to confirm your two variables. Okay, two variables. You know those variables x, y, m, n. This is called variables. If we denoted any equations with two different variables, as like 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, this is called two variable. You know that already equation. You use the two variable equation because here use the two different variables. You look here x and y. That is called two variable equation. That is called two variable equations. I hope you give one more examples. You can say standard form of equations: ax plus b y plus c is equal to 0. That is standard form of a two variable equations, where a any real number, b any real number, and c any real number. Okay, where a and b does not is equal to 0. a and b 0 नहीं होने चाहिए. अगर a 0 हुआ तो ये पूरी वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी. तो ये जो इक्वेशंस मिलेगा वो वन वेरिएबल हो जाएगा. कौन सा हो जाएगा? वो वन वेरिएबल इक्वेशंस हो जाएगा. अगर b 0 हो जाता है तो ax प्लस c आपका रिमेनिंग हो जाएगा, फिर वो वन वेरिएबल हो जाएगा. इसीलिए आपका a एंड b 0 नहीं होना चाहिए आपको, तभी टू वेरिएबल इक्वेशंस मिलेंगे. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज आई इंट्रोड्यूस योर चैप्टर नेम. इफ़ यू डोंट लर्न योर चैप्टर लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि चैप्टर नेम में आपकी बहुत सारी पढ़ाइयाँ छिपी होती है. ओके, आई क्लियर योर बेसिक्स लीनियर इक्वेशन वेरिएबल एंड आई टीच टू यू टू वेरिएबल इक्वेशंस. थैंक यू. एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आपको नेक्स्ट टॉपिक को टीच करेंगे.